All right, let's break down this new Frontier AI report. Seriously, some of the findings in here are pretty wild.
Right off the bat, they hit us with this. AI performance is doubling every 8 months. That pace is just incredible.
And get this isn't some future prediction. It's what's happening right now. And they've got the data.
So they tested AI in these key fields, and look at that curve. That's some serious exponential growth. Okay, first up, science. Models blew past the expert level in early 2024, and they're not slowing down.
Here's a side-by-side look. The AI is actually outdoing PhD experts in really critical lab work. Now, what about cybersecurity? Well, it's the same story. A massive leap from apprentice to expert level.
See ya, tasks that used to take a decade of human experience, an AI can do them now. Crazy.
So how is all this happening? It comes down to something the report calls AI agents.
These things can plan, use tools like the internet, and carry out complex tasks all on their own.
And get this, by mid-2025, they were nailing complex software tasks over 40% of the time. And that's up from less than 5% back in late 2023. That's the crazy acceleration we're talking about.
But, all this power, it's a double-edged sword, which brings us to safety and security.
The good news? The safety measures are getting better. It took 40 times more work to jailbreak a newer model.
But, and this is a big but, every single system they tested had security holes. Every single one.
They even looked at stuff that could help AI evade our control, like the ability to copy itself.
And the success rate for that jumped from just 5% in 2023 to 60% in 2025. A huge leap.
So the report is pretty clear. The pieces are falling into place for AI to potentially evade human control.
And here's another thing. The most powerful AIs aren't just owned by a few big companies anymore. That means these amazing and kind of scary capabilities are getting out there for everyone to use. So AI power is exploding. The real question is, can our wisdom and our safety measures actually keep up?